Just picked up this 24 pack of these corn holders here. So basically you could use this on 12 ears of corn. Basically you have 24 of these. You're going to use one on each side of the corn. I picked this one up because I like the carrying case that it has right here. So basically each time you're going to use these, you could just keep this in your kitchen area, outdoor area, and just put them outside of here. You could just put them if you're having a barbecue or a picnic, you just lay them out just like this. So it's going to keep them nice and organized. That's why I went with this one. And I do like that they're yellow, kind of like corn. Let's look at the ear of corn here. Some of the other ones were made out of silicone and things like that. This is just like, reminds me of like traditional ones that there was in like the 70s and 80s. These are just made very well too. You could see they're not bendy or anything like that. I was afraid some of the silicone ones would just have, you know, wouldn't really hold up really nice. But again, I picked this one because it has a nice carrying case. You just set these out there, put them by the corn. If people want to use them, they can. Then you just store them up in the kitchen once it's done. But again, you get 24 of these, so you could use it on 12 ears of corn. Just really cool item.